Have you ever wondered how big the universe really is? It's a question that has tantalized humanity for centuries. Our minds grapple with the sheer enormity of the cosmos, a vast expanse that seems to stretch into infinity. But when we talk about the size of the universe, we often use a term that brings it down to a comprehensible scale: the observable universe. This term refers to the part of the universe that we can actually see. It's a sphere with us at the center, extending out in all directions to the furthest point where light has had time to reach us. But here's the kicker. The universe is constantly expanding. It's growing, stretching, evolving. And beyond the borders of what we can observe, there may be an infinite expanse still waiting to be discovered. So, when we talk about the size of the universe, we refer to the observable universe. To comprehend the vastness of the universe, we use a measurement known as light years. Now, what exactly is a light year? It's not about time, as the name might suggest, but rather, it's a unit of distance, the distance that light can travel in 1 year. Let's delve a little deeper. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, zips along at a speed of about 186,000 miles per second. That's akin to circling the Earth nearly 7.5 times each second. If we let light continue at this breakneck speed for an entire year, non-stop, it would cover an astonishing distance of approximately 5.88 trillion miles. Yes, you heard that right. 5.88 trillion miles in a single year. To put that into perspective, if you were to take a road trip at an average speed of 60 miles per hour, it would take you around 11 billion years to travel 1 light year. And that's without any pit stops. So when you hear astronomers talking about stars, galaxies, and cosmic phenomena being millions or even billions of light years away, they're not just throwing around big numbers to impress you. They're trying to convey the sheer mind-boggling scale of the cosmos. This astronomical distance gives us some perspective on just how grand the universe is. Now, let's dive into the concept of the observable universe. The observable universe is essentially a cosmic time capsule. It's a spherical region encompassing all the matter that we can observe from Earth or its space-based telescopes and exploratory probes right now. This is because the electromagnetic radiation, or in simpler terms, the light from these objects, has had enough time to journey across the vast expanse of space and reach our solar system and Earth since the cosmological expansion began. Think of it as a cosmic horizon. Beyond this horizon, there are certainly more galaxies, stars, and possibly even other forms of life. However, their light hasn't had enough time to reach us yet because of the immense distances involved. It's like waiting for a letter that's been sent from a far-off land. We know it's out there, but it simply hasn't arrived yet. Now let's talk about size. Brace yourselves because the numbers are truly staggering. The estimated diameter of the observable universe is around 93 billion light years. Yes, you heard it right, 93 billion. That's the distance light would travel in 93 billion years. It's a number so large that it's almost impossible to wrap your mind around. To put it into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you about 42 billion years to get from one side of the observable universe to the other. And that's only if you could somehow avoid getting sucked into a black hole or colliding with a star along the way. Remember, this is just the observable universe we're talking about. The actual universe is likely much, much larger, possibly even infinite. But that's a topic for another time. Even when limiting our gaze to the observable universe, the distances and sizes we're dealing with are nearly impossible to comprehend. In conclusion, the universe's size is a mind-boggling concept. We've explored the possibility of its infinite expanse, learned about light years as our cosmic yardstick, and discovered the observable universe to be about 93 billion light years across. These are all vast and complex ideas, but remember, they're just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. As we continue to explore and learn, our understanding of the universe will keep expanding, much like the universe itself.